Hello friends, today I am here to discuss some important features in the second edition of Biochemistry Rapid Revision Notes. So this is second edition of Biochemistry Rapid Revision Notes, and this was the first edition. Okay, now I will discuss some important feature of this second edition. Just wait. So if you open the front page, this is the front page, then these are the new topics added in the second edition. It mainly includes the hormone action, quality control in the laboratory, then colorimeter, electrophoresis and SDS page, and metabolism in starvation, metabolism of branched chain amino acid, some important topics from the nutrition, then digestion and absorption of lipid, digestion and absorption of the protein, and important cases in the biochemistry. So these are included in this second edition of the book. Okay. Now this is the content. It mainly includes the cell, enzyme, carbohydrate chemistry and metabolism, lipid chemistry and metabolism, protein chemistry and metabolism, then integration of metabolism and metabolism in starvation, biological oxidation, nucleotide chemistry and metabolism, heme metabolism, vitamins, minerals, nutrition, organ function test, acid-base balance and disorders, molecular biology topics that includes replication, transcription, translation, then recombinant DNA technology, PCR, free radical and antioxidant, biotransformation, cancer, extracellular matrix, immunity, and these are the important new topics, that is hormone action, then electrophoresis and chromatography, colorimeter, quality control in the laboratory, and automated chemistry analyzer. So these are the new topics added in this second edition of the book. All of you know that there is change in the curriculum, that is from knowledge based curriculum we move towards the application based curriculum, okay, which mainly includes the knowledge, skill, attitude and communication, and there are various levels in this competency that includes the knows how, shows how and perform, and various teaching learning methods they are introduced by the CBME curriculum that mainly includes the DOAP, that is demonstrate, observe, assist and perform in the practical, then lecture, small group discussion, self-directed learning, then the integrated approach, that is horizontal integration and vertical integration is there with other subjects, and the early clinical exposure. This is very important for the biochemistry, for the important cases in the biochemistry. Early clinical exposure is very, very important. So important clinical cases are given in the topics. When you open this book, after the content, the topic will start. Suppose take one topic, either enzyme or carbohydrate metabolism. Just wait. So this is metabolism of carbohydrate. When you see the first page of this topic, this QR code, it will direct you, scan this QR code with the camera or scan this QR code with any QR code scanner. Okay, you will direct it to the YouTube page and this video will be there, that is important topics in the carbohydrate metabolism. After that, this is the playlist of carbohydrate metabolism and you will get all videos related with carbohydrate metabolism available on YouTube channel. Okay, so if you found any difficulty in reading the topic, please go through the video and then read this topic. Okay, now see, if you start from the metabolism of carbohydrate here, so LAQs are mentioned here. For example, the most important LAQ from this topic is the regulation of blood glucose level. Second most important is the glycogen metabolism and its regulation. Third important topic is gluconeogenesis, means synthesis of glucose from non-carbohydrate precursors. Okay, in this way, sequence wise the questions are given, LAQs are given, then SAQs, HMP shunt, galactosemia, Rappaport-Lubering cycle, PDH complex, glycogen storage disorders, and important clinical cases from this metabolism that is diabetic ketoacidosis, which one is the most important case from this carbohydrate metabolism. Then diabetes mellitus, galactosemia, Wohn-Guck's disease, glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency, lactose intolerance and sucrose intolerance. These are the important cases related with this topic. Okay, so chapter wise there is QR code. If you scan this QR code, suppose this is cholesterol, if you scan this QR code, you will direct it to the YouTube page with cholesterol metabolism, cholesterol synthesis. Okay, and in every chapter, in the starting of every chapter, suppose this is nucleotide chemistry and metabolism. In this nucleotide chemistry and metabolism, the important LAQ is de novo synthesis of purine nucleotide and pyrimidine nucleotide. These are the two important LAQs. Followed by most important SAQ from this chapter is the purine salvage pathway and disorder related with purine salvage pathway, that is Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. Okay, then important case, it is gout. This is the most important case from this chapter. In this way the topics are discussed. Okay, so this is the rough material, or you can say it is a hard work of 9 to 10 months. Okay, this is handwritten notes. We scan these handwritten notes and compile these notes into a book format. So this is completely in the new format, second edition of the book. Okay, this is for understanding the biochemistry and for rapid revision during the exam time. It is not a complete substitute for most commonly used book. Use this book along with the commonly used book. Okay, you will definitely score a good marks in the examination. Okay, so this is about the second edition of the book. So keep watching and keep reading. So thank you very much for your response for the first edition of the book.